What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here's how to get excellent credit in 30 days. Having excellent credit is crucial for many aspects of personal finance, including getting approved for a mortgage, car loan, or credit card with a low interest rate. While building a strong credit history takes time, there are steps you can take to improve your credit score quickly. Here's a guide on how to get excellent credit in 30 days. Check your credit report. Before you can take steps to improve your credit, you need to know where you stand. You are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. Review your credit report for errors or inaccuracies, and if you find any, contact the credit bureau to correct them. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a significant impact on your credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders for your bills can help you stay on top of your payments and avoid late fees. Reduce your credit card balances. High credit card balances can also harm your credit score. To reduce your balances, you can either pay them off in full or make more than the minimum payments each month. Avoid applying for new credit. Every time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, which can lower your credit score. Avoid applying for new credit until you have improved your score. Keep old credit accounts open. Closing old credit accounts can lower your credit score because it reduces your available credit and increases your credit utilization ratio. If you have old credit accounts that you no longer use, keep them open and active by making small purchases and paying them off in full. Dispute credit report errors. Review your credit reports. If you find any errors or inaccuracies, take action by reaching out to the credit bureau. Seek credit counseling. If you're struggling to manage your credit and pay off your debts, credit counseling services can provide you with budgeting advice and help you create a plan to pay off your debts. It's important to keep in mind that improving your credit score takes time, and there's no magic solution to achieve excellent credit overnight. But by taking the right steps, you can make significant progress in 30 days. Consistency, patience, and discipline are key, as well as checking your credit reports and tracking your credit score, so you can see the progress you make over time. Remember that building an excellent credit score is a lifelong effort and will take a combination of time, effort, and responsible financial behavior. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.